Welcome to GBI Cars and a walk around video of our 2014 VW Up. This car comes with the 1 litre petrol engine and the manual gearbox, which is Ulez Compliant, returning up to 62 miles per gallon. The lowest insurance group possible at Insurance Group 1, and road tax is £20 a year, so really low running costs overall. The mileage is just over 54,000 miles and the car's been serviced 8 times in that period. This particular colour is called the metallic tungsten grey and looks in really good condition for the age and mileage. As we look inside, you have the nice clean interior there, the hard wearing fabric and the pattern on the seats. Onto the dashboard, you've got your CD player with DAB radio there in the centre with your air conditioning below, and this car also has a cup holder in the centre there for the front passengers, as well as a 12-volt charging socket as well. As we open the rear doors, for such a small car, it's quite surprising how much space is actually in the back. The rear bench has 2 individual seat belts, and there's a drinks holder again for the rear passengers as well. And as we open the tailgate, you have your split folding rear seats there, as well as your parcel shelf. And then you also have your adjustable floor, which is at its lowest point at the moment, but you can raise that to hide your valuables underneath. And then also below the bottom floor, you've also got a space saver wheel. Externally, the car comes with the 14-inch wheels, and also I see the car's got front and rear mud flaps as well, so that's good to see. The car's also been independently inspected by the AA, who've been through a 128-point check for your peace of mind. And you'll also receive 12 months AA breakdown cover, a 3-month warranty that you can extend up to 3 years, and with a finance which is 10.9%. So if you have any questions or you'd like to book a test drive, please give us a call. The number's 01525 305 016. Thanks for watching.